Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use or to see your Mac window screen on your Apple Vision Pro. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will need to do is to meet these requirements first. So here we have this block of the Apple website. So to use your Mac screen with the Apple Vision Pro, make sure you have these requirements or you meet these requirements. So you will need to have your MacBook to have the Mac OS 14 or later. So if your Mac devices do not meet these requirements, you won't be able to link them or to share your screen on your Apple Vision Pro. Then you will need just to sign in on both devices with the same Apple IDs. You will have the same account on your Apple Vision Pro and Mac or MacBook. And of course, you should turn on the iCloud, keychain, etc. After that, you will need just to start Mac Virtual Display session, and to do so on your Mac laptop or the desktop computer, whatever you are using, you will need just to make sure your laptop is open and its display is active, means that the light is turned on. And while wearing the Apple Vision Pro, you will need just to looking at your Mac laptop. So basically, your Vision Pro you will display or you will have your field of vision as follow, and you will have your MacBook here or anywhere on your table or wherever. You will need just to look in at it, and then you will have to use the Mac virtual display. So when the Mac connects, it will the display will appears as window as follow here. And basically by that, you will just like with all the windows in your Apple Vision Pro workspace, you can pinch with your fingers and drag the window bar, and you can start like navigating on your PC using only your Apple Vision Pro. And of course, you can start like using the devices to control Apple Vision Pro, like the inbuilt keyboards or the navigation things, etc. And to end a Mac virtual display session, you will need just to tap the close button at the bottom of the Mac window to disconnect your computer, and this is how you can do it. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.